Hey, I'm Esther Werner, and thank you so much for stopping by my website. Are you a diabetic that's been struggling to lose weight, gain control over your sugar, and get your life back? I'm a type 1 diabetic, and I know exactly what you've been going through because I've gone through that as well. Since I was diagnosed as an adult, they weren't sure if I was a type 1 or type 2, and so they started me off with medicine. And that didn't do the job, and my sugar was all over the place. Once I was put on insulin, a new phase of my life opened up, and my sugars were high and low, and I went through these really huge sugar swings. I also gained a lot of weight. I gained over 30 pounds, and I just thought that my life was over and I felt hopeless. I then went on this search. I spoke to every kind of doctor, all different endocrinologists, naturopaths, chiropractors, healers, Eastern medicine, Western medicine. And what I found was not a cure, which is what I was hoping for, but a true understanding about health, nutrition, healing. And not only did I get better control over my sugar by taking what really worked from each expert and implementing it in my own life, but also a deeper inner healing. What I'm about to share with you is stuff that I've learned. That some of it is very well known and some of it is not known at all, or very few people know about it. And those things, the combination of those tools, is what really helped me lose weight and get control over my sugar and, more importantly, over my life. So, if you would like to learn the 4 biggest mistakes that diabetics make when they're trying to lose weight, which is what I discovered the hard way and kept gaining weight as opposed to losing weight, thinking that I'm doing the right thing, I would love to share it with you for free. All I need you to do is opt in right down below. Just give me your name and your email address, and I will send you the video of those 4 biggest mistakes that diabetics make when they're trying to lose weight. What I'll also do is send you tips and tools and techniques that have helped me lose weight and gain better sugar control and really get my life back in order. And I would love to share that with you as well. So just stay tuned to my emails, and I look forward to talking to you real soon.